Today we're going to take this floor plan, and we've already created the kitchen elements here, and we're going to create some elevations for this kitchen area here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up into the View tab, and we're going to click Elevations. We're going to go to Elevations here, and then switch this over to Interior Elevation. I have the elevation tags off right now, so I'm just going to go down here to Hide Hidden Elements. We're just going to place the elevation tag there, and then we're also going to need to do one on this wall and just one the other direction here. So I'm just going to, if you click this bubble here, you can turn on and off parts of the elevation. The lines there. So there we go. So we have those elevations. I'm going to reveal hidden elements here, and then we're just going to go down to the interior elevations here and look at what we created. So turn on Fine. Going in here, we're just going to see where our crop region is. The crop region's down here. Just going to drag it up, put it around this island element. Also drag it up to the bottom of the floor. So there we have the crop of the island. So I'm going to call this Kitchen Elevation Island. I've jumped ahead a little bit, and I've created a sheet for the kitchen drawing. So I've started by doing a call out of the main floor, which you can do by going up into View and the call out button to get a call out of this main floor kitchen area. I've dragged that over to the drawings here. I'm just going to move over the last few things, which is the kitchen. The main wall kitchen, so we're doing 1/2 inch scale. I'm also changing my view tag to all in no scale. And the last one is the fridge wall. And so that's basically the main floor plan page. The last thing I'm going to add is a couple 3D views. We haven't really done a lot of work to fully develop this kitchen yet, but for the purposes of this, 3D view would probably be nice just to show the client a little bit more about what's going on. So just going to hide some things that are in the way, and then I'm going to make the phase filter, because I have some new and existing stuff in here. Phase filter is show new and previous. I'm just going to go to this kitchen plan for a second. Actually, I'm going to go to the actual floor plan for a second. And I want to see a little bit more of the other side of this kitchen. So there we kind of see most of the kitchen there. This wall looks like it's poking up from the floor below, so we'll just get that basement top of wall. And there you go, we'll just drag this view on the sheet there, And our kitchen sheet is done.